Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing great, but we're going to go ahead and get right into this. So, today I bring you guys a lender by the name of Chase. Now, yes, Chase has multiple different credit cards, but today we will be talking about the Freedom Unlimited credit card. Now, a great thing about this credit card is you can earn an additional 1.5% cash back worth up to $300. You can also earn an additional 1.5% on all other purchases up to $20,000 spent in the first year. Now, another great thing about this credit card is there is no annual fee. Again, like I said, you can earn 1.5% on all other purchases. Up to $20,000 spent in your first year. Now, another great thing about this credit card is they do offer a low intro APR. Now, you would get this low intro APR for 15 months of your account opening on purchases and balance transferred. Then after that, you could see a intro APR up to 29.24%. Now, they also offer the additional 1.5% on purchases, which comes with a $20,000 spent in your first year. So you can earn 6.5% on travel purchases through Chase Unlimited Rewards. You can also earn 4.5% on dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services as well, and 4.5% on drugstore purchases and 3% on all other purchases. Now, again, no annual fee, no minimum to redeem for cashback. And your cashback rewards do not expire as long as your account is open and active. Now, to be able to be approved for this credit card, you must have a 690 credit score and above, okay? And they do have a limit as high as $5,000, but you could get an increase within 90 days of making your payments on time. Now, this is all based on credit worthiness as well. Now, they do have some additional benefits. The Freedom Unlimited has you covered. So they have purchase protection, zero liability protection, fraud, free credit, auto, trip cancellation, travel, emergency assistance services, and a lot more. Now, the application process is very simple and straightforward. Now, this credit card could help you build your personal credit of making your payments on time, of course, for the first 90 days. Now, they do pull from Experian, okay? So if you guys are looking for a credit card with a high limit, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.